up? It's Kristen and these are my reviews. Today I'm going to be reviewing a Wantable, and this is my April box. If you don't know about Wantable, it's a $20 styling fee, and they have a stream where you can pick certain items that you really want, and if they have your size, they will send them over to you. So today I'm going to be reviewing that. If you guys like my jewelry, Mint Mongoose had sent this to me to review. I have a review. I'll put the little link up here so you can watch it. So if you want to watch the video and see what I get in my box, just let's get to it. Okay, so the first item that I got are a pair of black jeans, and they have some distressing here in the knees, and they are by Articles of Society. I love Articles of Society jeans. They're so comfortable. And those are the Sarah cutoff hems in Athens wash, and they're size 25, and they're $68. Very nice. Next is the item. It's by Wantable. It has these really cute sleeves. I think I requested this, and it is the striped ruffle short sleeve top, black and white, size extra small, and it's $48. Next item I got in my box is this black and white dress. It's very cute. It is the pencil stripe dress in black extra small, and it's by Z Supply, and it's $49. Next item is this white long sleeve shirt with a V-neck, very plain. It's by Z Supply as well, and it's the long sleeve micro model T, size extra small, and it's $39. Next item is this blue and white striped. I love navy, and it's by Spade and Heart. It's an extra small, and it's the multi-stripe top navy ivory, and it's $58. Next item here is this dress. It's very pretty. I don't wear a lot of floral, but we'll see. It is by Sage and Citrus, and it is the short sleeve bodycon dress mauve extra small, and it's $45. And last but not least, I requested these pants, possibly for work, so we'll see if they fit. They're just gray, nice work pants, and they are by Kept From The Cloth, and they're Saria flat front pocket dress pant, black marble, size 0, and they're $88. So I'm gonna have the little try-ons along the side. So at the end of the video, I'll come back and let you know what I decided to keep. Your comments down below, please like and subscribe. And I do unboxings, Stitchfix, Wantable, etc. And also do reviews on jewelry and items that I'm sent. My information is below if you want me to review your products. So thanks for watching, and I'll let you know what I keep. Coming back. Hey guys, so I'm just coming back on here, letting you guys know I'm going to be keeping this top here. It fits me the best. I absolutely love the Articles of Society jeans that I have on, but I think I can find them probably on Nordstrom Rack or Nordstrom for cheaper than $68. So I'm going to keep this top. It's $48, and then you take my $20 styling fee off, so I'm going to get it for about $28. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.